thank you, Nick, because oftentimes you've saved my life when I lock myself in my car. Nick Pudar, the VP of Business Development at OnStar. Welcome.
Well, thank you. Thanks for having me.
So, Nick, you're here with GM at the Chevy station. Is that
Yep,
correct?
that's right.
Yeah. And there was a recent announcement made that GM is opening its door to third-party developers. So any developer can offer new apps that can plug into your cars. Can you just tell us about that a little bit more?
Yeah, so we at CES announced that we're going to be opening up our APIs, our proprietary APIs, to third-party developers. And we have a new app framework that we've built into our vehicles. It's essentially a browser-based approach. And developers can write apps that will reside in the vehicle and have unique access to information that's in the vehicle and deliver new innovative services to our customers. And so it's pretty exciting. And so we've been working with developers. We've begun the process. We've got a portal that we've opened up, developer.gm.com. Make sure to check it out. Where our developers can access our software developer kit, have access to the full APIs. And we really have two kinds of APIs, those that will reside with the apps in the vehicle, and then we also use the remote APIs, which are the traditional OnStar connectivity from far away. And so we're going to see a broad range of new innovative solutions that are going to emerge from those new capabilities that we're opening up.
And you were also saying how there's a vetting system because obviously not all apps can go into your car. A disco environment might become distracting, for example. I'm just making this up as I go along, but there has to be some kind of vetting system to ensure safety.
Yeah, it's really important that our customers, or the drivers of the vehicle, are able to operate the vehicle effectively and safely. And so that's the number one task in the vehicle. And so the industry, it's a challenge for the entire industry, and so we've been working together and with NHTSA, and there are a set of guidelines that have been established that will provide input to the developers on how to best present information and interaction with the vehicle. And so, keeping the eyes on the road is really important, and so if you've got to read a lot of stuff on a screen, that's going to be turned off. And so we'll find that in some situations, some of those requirements will work when you're in park. You can do some things and interact with the vehicle when it's not driving. Other things you have to do with voice control or with buttons on steering wheels. And so that will emerge, but we're taking a very serious, sober look at that going forward.
Well, Nick, while I have you, I would love a vehicle that can blow dry my hair and curl it and put on my makeup. So work on that, people. And where do you just see the future of connected vehicles?
Well, it's interesting you ask, because we just a couple of weeks ago at Barcelona at the Mobile World Congress made an announcement about the future of our vehicles and connectivity. We are building in, starting next year, 4G LTE connectivity built into the vehicle. And so not only will app developers have the rich environment and app framework to deliver new content and capabilities, but now the speed with which that will be able to be delivered is really amazing. And so we'll be able to have Wi-Fi hotspots in vehicles. Other devices that passengers have will have the full richness of LTE speeds. And so the connectivity is that the vehicle now is part of your digital life, and your digital life can also connect to your vehicle. And so customers have an expectation in their lives that they have access to whatever service and information that they want whenever they need it. And there are the appropriate opportunities when you're in your vehicle that some of that information can be connected to you as well. So we're excited about the new speeds and capabilities that we're building into our cars.
It's like Cars 3.0. It's really cool.
It's the future, now.
For more videos, you can check out genConnect. And your site for the developers is, you said it in the videos, Chevy.
Developer.gm.com.
Developers.gm.com.
Yeah.
Very cool.